Hey guys, welcome to another video of Quick Bites Revision. So today we're looking at question 4 here. Have a go and pause the video. Okay, so question 4. Here is a list of numbers: 2.6, 2.4, 3.1, 1.5 and 2.3. From the list, write down the smallest number. Let's start off by looking at the units. So that's a 2. That's a 2, that's a 3, that's a 1, and that's a 2. Out of these, 1 is smaller than 2, 2, and 3, and 2. So it doesn't matter what the decimal is, we just write in 1.5. If you got that correct, great, move on. If not, let's try another question. Okay, so remember, compare the units. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, now this question was slightly different. So we've got 3, 3, they're the same so far. And then you've got 2, 2, and 2. So we're going to, 2 is smaller than 3, but I've got 3 numbers to choose from now. I'm going to write them in order like this. So 2.9, 2.4, and 2.3. So if the first number here, which is our units, is the same, you now have to compare the one after it, which is our tenths. Now 9 is the highest tenth, then the 4, and then the 3. Out of all of those, this is now the smallest number. So you write 2.3. Great. Well done on your revision, guys. Keep going.